Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you some magazines I picked up from my local newsagent. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. First, I just want to make a little announcement. If you've noticed, it's been mostly hauls and project shares lately, and I'm sorry, but that is going to continue for a little while longer unless I have some very short tutorials, because a lot has happened over the last month. It has been quite stressful. And if you aren't subscribed to my sister Heavenly Imaginings, then you wouldn't know that she has broken her leg and is in hospital about an hour and a half away from here, and it looks like she'll be in hospital for a good while. So that is my priority at the moment, but where I can I will put up what I can. It's just a matter of having the time to edit small videos rather than large ones, and a lot of my tutorials can often take an hour to two to film, and then I have to edit all that footage, which can take 6 to 12 hours, and I just don't have that much time to devote to each video at the moment. I thank you for your understanding, and I will get back into the regular swing of things as soon as I can, as well as catch up on all my Hedgehog Hollow boxes as well. I have 3 waiting to be opened and shared with you, and I have subbed up for another 3 months, so I am excited by what's in the boxes. I just haven't gotten around to using them. Well, one I have, it's just a long video to edit, so I may just swap that into doing project shares rather than editing the whole video. Onto the magazines. I don't often buy them. They have to be very special for me to buy them. They have to have things that I super want in them, that I think will come in handy in my craft room, because I have a lot of stuff, and so if they're not something that I think I'll use, or not something I haven't seen before, or something special, then I don't tend to buy them. This one came with a full-size A4 stamp set, and this one is Dreamcatcher themed. So you have your outside for your Dreamcatcher, or you have this little outside for the Dreamcatcher, you have your insides, you have some flowers, you have a itty bitty middle, we have light bulb and the hanging light bulb, we've got love and the heart for inside the light bulb, flourish, the light rays for the light bulb, and then we have some hanging strings for the Dreamcatcher. We have the feathers in the middle and some leaves, an arrow, and then we have some sentiments. Don't let life ruffle your feathers, with sympathy, dream big, what's up, you light up my life, thinking of you, shine bright, dreams can come true with love. And so I thought that was an awesome stamp set, and I probably would have bought it just for that alone. But then it had the die set as well. So then you've got the dies that fit in the middle here, and you could just do this centerpiece without having the circle to cut it out and inlay that inside the middle of the stamp. But then you also have the circle that fits it perfectly to cut around it if you choose, a feather, and a label that I'm sure would fit some of the sentiments in it. This one was $15, and I think it was supposed to be $20, but my newsagent had it marked at $15 because it says on here $20, and so for $15 it definitely had to come home with me. And we'll just have a quick look at some of the projects. There are more in here, and there are also projects with other things in here as well. So we have a circle card featuring the flowers and a light bulb, and then we have a Z-fold card, and then we have this easel card, regular card, and a shaker card. And that one uses that little stripy outside piece. That's pretty cool. They've layered up the die and the stamp underneath it. I like that too. That is Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 190, and both of them came with it, which I thought was awesome. This is the first Tonic Studios card making collection I've bought. I have seen a couple in the newsagent and not really been fussed on them. This one is $23, so on the more expensive price. I have seen some of the box kits go up to $30, so everything's quite expensive in Australia. Have a look inside. First we have the die set, and there's lots of dies in here. It doesn't actually show all the dies on the outsides. I'll pull it out and we can have a look. It takes quite a bit of effort to get that little thing off. The back of it pinged somewhere in the house. I don't know where it went. You get the 4 corners, got a floral, a leaf, and then 2 plain ones. Then we have this circle die, which isn't on the outside here. The 2 inner pieces, one leafy one and one lined one, the inner piece which is this beautiful floral, and then we have another circle piece to perfectly cut that out if we wanted to, or we could just inlay that into the middle of a piece of cardstock and not circle cut it out. That would look really nice. Then we have the embossing folder. It has happy birthday to you, and it's the leafy design. And then we have the stamps that will fit perfectly in the middle. There is these flowers, which I can't remember what they're called. Then we have roses down here, sun, and I'm guessing water for your boat. This little doily pattern, which you could stamp all the way around. Then we've got this little circle with circles pattern. And then celebrate your day. Friends are like flowers. They brighten your day to a special friend and birthday wishes. Now, I'm going to admit right now, I'm not a fan of these papers. You get 2 of each, and they are double-sided, so you could, I guess, choose what you liked to use. We've got triangles, floral. I do like these ones, the blue and the orange. Then there is ones you can cut out. There are some that you can circle cut out, and I wonder if the circle from this would fit it. Let's see. That one's too big. Let's try this small one. They are sized to match your circle die, I think. That one would cut out the flowers, but the circles would match nicely. Then we have the red and earthy tone triangles, roses, the yellow and the red marbly type pattern, more cut aparts, swirly design, brick type design. Do like these 2 colours. Then we've got geo blues and greens, swirly pattern again, blue bricks, another swirly pattern, and then that page, which I really don't like. And then it repeats. That's the same on the other side. You get all those papers, this awesome die set, the embossing folder, stamp set that will fit in the middle. Oh, if you had some circle dies, you could stamp them and cut them out yourself, because the smallest circle die in that is too big for these. I hope you enjoyed this look at these 2 magazines. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. And then I have to edit all that footage when this is the first Tonic Studio collection I've made. This is the first